Oh, it's cold out. We got a big snowstorm coming. I think like 8 to 12 inches is what they're predicting. It's going to come in a little bit. It's Sunday, so it'll come in like really early Monday morning. And then I think like Monday evening it's supposed to stop. So we're already predicting no school for the kids tomorrow. If they get like an inch of snow here, they cancel school. So it's ridiculous. But we're not set up for snow removal and stuff like up north, like around like DC area, Baltimore area, even in like Massachusetts, like a foot of snow is nothing. What a funny story about that. Ashley and I, when we were getting married, they were doing, my parents were hosting a Jack and Jill bridal shower party for us. So we drove out to Massachusetts. They were getting a foot of snow that night. And Ashley was like total panic mode. Like, how is everybody going to show up? They're getting a foot of snow. Like, a foot of snow down here is not like a foot of snow up there. And I kept telling her, like, we're fine. We're okay. Everybody's going to show up. Everybody did show up. It was life goes on as usual up there with a foot of snow. It's crazy. Down here, not so much. All right, so I gotta get that rock salt all over my driveway, and then I gotta do all the street too. So the problem is, you see a little bit of sun on here. It's not common to have a lot of sun there. So what happens is the road will freeze and refreeze over and over and over. We had one event, I think like right when we first moved here. It's like I think we got about a foot, and we were stuck in our house for almost a week. The reason was it would just freeze and refreeze every night. So we couldn't get out. We'd just slide all like down the road. They had all the plows were getting stuck right over there. So it was a mess. So I'm gonna spread that out real quick, and then I'm headed over to my in-laws' house. They got a house over here too. We found a genius sledding. Can't really call it a hill. It's more of a ditch. So well, it is a ditch. So down here we don't have any sledding hills. There's no like mountains or anything. It's all very, very flat, just like Ocean City. It's all flat. So what we're gonna do is we found a drainage ditch we gotta cut out and make it like a tubing path down the ditch. So we're gonna go do that after. All right, should be all set. And down by the mailboxes, we have cluster mailboxes, and I try to keep up with that as much as I can with like all the leaves. I blow the leaves out over there. Years ago I saw it was like an older lady that fell. She slipped on leaves and fell, and I felt really bad. So every fall I go down there multiple times a week and I'll blow the leaves off. I threw some ice melt down for the mail lady, and then hopefully we'll get a good campfire going tomorrow. Uh-oh, we found Creepy. That's all he does. He just creeps around. He loves to play outside with us when we come out here. I know. I was just telling them you like to play outside. So I'm gonna grab this and a chainsaw, and then we're gonna go cut a path. Yeah, that's pretty much all I need. Yeah, that and a chainsaw. Should probably bring some gas too. Got a little bit left. I was worried the neighbors, that house is always for, it's a rental property. There's always people coming in. There were some people down here, I think they were from Pennsylvania. But anyway, we went to go try to warn them about the storm, because I'm sure they think like, oh yeah, it's probably just like back home. Like snow's all removed pretty quickly, and they don't know how it is here, but it looks like they left, which is a good thing. But if they didn't and we see them, we'll give them a warning. Pretty much they wait until the last flurry has fallen, and then they come out and try to clean up all the snow, and it's just a giant mess. We're already looking at closings for tomorrow. Our school hasn't closed yet. This is more like a lot of Delaware stuff, but I'm sure ours will be. Yeah.
Schools were closing already?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Already closing. And that list is going to be huge in a couple hours. What?
Do you think that they're going to close us down today, or do you think we're going to get the phone calls at 5 a.m. and the text?
No, I think tonight. I think they'll close it tonight.
What time?
Around like 6.
Do you guys think?
What do you guys guess?
I'm going to say no just because 5 a.m.
5 a.m. tomorrow? I'm saying 6 tonight. What do you got, William?
I'm going to say like 7 tomorrow.
7 tomorrow. What do you got?
You have to do that. I think that it's going to wait till 5 a.m.
All right, that's the guesses. And this guy loves the snow. The only problem, he's so old, his hips are starting to go. He's 14. I put tons of ice down for him. He slipped and fell yesterday, and we only had a dusting. So, but he loves the snow. He loves the ocean. Like if we took him to the beach and just take his leash off, he just darts right into the ocean. Loves jumping in the waves. He's pretty funny. So the trip over, it's within walking distance, but we're gonna drive over. So tomorrow, if we get snowed in and we can't get over there, we'll just walk over. All right, we're going to our private sledding hill. sledding ditch. Show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, we gotta clear some of this stuff out. So this ditch is the main runoff for pretty much like most of Ocean Pines. So it's all gonna freeze tomorrow. So we're gonna cut. Oh, we may not even have to. Look right here. Yeah, just that little log there. And we should be good. So this will all be. He made it. Throw some any like big sticks or logs. Throw them out of the way. No, you don't have to cut. We're just gonna go down right here. Huh? That tree? No, you won't turn. You'll go this way. Unless if you want to cut it down, you can. Cut low, very low. Lower, if you can. Yeah. Oh, what's underneath? Is that a bigger log? Yeah. Oh, it is? Yeah. It's already like starting to freeze over. So we're good. We got our path. It's a real steep hill that goes down that way, and hopefully that'll be frozen. Or we'll have to put something there to block them so they don't go in the water. But we're good. Come back tomorrow and do sledding. We got a little snowboard too. I'm watching the football games right now, and then I got, turn my phone back on. I got the alert. We all lost the bet. School is now closed for tomorrow. It's only 4 o'clock. So no school. Check it out. I told you these closures will, there's going to be a lot more. Try to watch this all the way through. It goes all the way down. We're at the, oh, we made it twice. Worcester County Public Schools made it on there once. Wycomico County, they're closed. Worcester County Public Schools, we're closed. District Court's closed. Warwick Community College. So it's coming. It's about 9:30 right now. It is still coming down fast. Got a couple inches. I would say probably about maybe 4. Probably my best guess. Good old George. George the Pelican. Look at his head. It's got a cone head. Wow. I was going to try to go into Ocean City. I don't think I'm going to make it today. It's just coming too much, too fast. I don't even hear any plows or anybody else. I don't even think the roads are treated. A lot of snow real quick. This is hilarious. They're already closing schools tomorrow. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Cape Henlopen School District closed tomorrow. Caroline County closed tomorrow. This is funny. Oh, wow. So I guess we'll be waiting on ours soon. I would say probably around like 4 o'clock they'll call school for tomorrow. This is crazy. If you follow me on Facebook, I posted the forecast from it's another Facebook. It's a guy in Virginia. It's WX Risk, and he does all the predictions on the storms, and they're extremely accurate. He gets them more often. He's right than wrong. And he was saying that it was supposed to switch over to sleet around mid afternoon. It's almost noon right now, and it's starting to change over. And then it's going to go back to snow in a couple hours. That was his prediction. But I mean, everything that he has said has pretty much come like exactly how he said it was going to be. 2 huge snowballs.
That's what I made.
You made it?
Yeah, look, I can sit on top of it.
You gotta run and jump on. He made it.
What are you making, Nikki?
So we made it out, but it is, they haven't plowed at all. I would say we got at least 4 inches, and we're supposed to get another like I think 6. Well, that's what I'm talking about with yesterday, where they don't plow at all until the storm is over. We got stuck in the driveway, so I put it in 4-wheel drive, pulled right out, and then made it through. And now we're just going down some side streets right now, just checking things out. Yeah, it's pretty slippery out here, though. Here's Ocean Parkway. That's what we're on right now. It's actually not that bad. It's been plowed. We just saw a plow pass by us doing some of the side roads. But the cul-de-sacs, they're still like hard to get through. I don't have the 4-wheel drive on anymore. But we're gonna try to venture into Ocean City. It is weird seeing all the snow, especially like the pond. The pond is frozen. They didn't put out the statement this year to don't try to ice skate.
I don't remember them putting it out.
Every year they used to do it because there was people that would like think that it was okay to go out there, and it's definitely not. I just tried to get on 90, but it's not looking good. The exit ramp and the entrance were both not plowed. And it's they're both up, like going uphill and then downhill to get back. So we're gonna try 50 and see if that's a little bit better. But the main road, this is Racetrack Road. It's not too bad. It's actually not bad at all.
Do you think the casino's open?
Yeah. You think so? More importantly, is anybody there?
Oh.
Like, did somebody leave in the snowstorm?
Who stayed overnight?
To go to the casino?
Because it looks like Subway's closed and Verizon's closed. But I
Are
think
they?
Dunkin' Donuts is open.
Anybody over here?
Dude,
They're all closed.
except for that Pines Public House.
They are. No one even plowed the parking lot.
Oh, lakes are on over there. That's what I thought.
Oh, that's all plowed nice.
Yeah, it is.
And the outlets are closed.
The outlets. Oh, yeah, that's right. They said it. Here's the casino. There's definitely a lot of cars there, and it's plowed.
I feel like there's only like 3 or 4 cars on the left.
No, look at on the right. All the cars up front. Here's the outlets. And we're trying to get into Ocean City. But there's lights up there.
Yeah.
Snowplow, I think.
Is it? It looks like, it doesn't look like emergency lights.
Emergency lights aren't that red and blue?
And those are green. Could be the plows.
We have a plow over there. That's just filled.
Bad Monkey, Mickey Finn's. Is that plowed?
None of it over here.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's switch lanes.
What? Did the light stop?
Because that lane is coming to an end.
Which lane?
This one, the one to my left.
Oh, yeah. Here, do you want me to clear it back?
There's the, oh, look at the sandbar filled with snow.
That's so cool.
Oh, wait, this is like it's, oh.
The bridge isn't bad at all.
Look at the rocks, they're all frozen too.
The rocks are frozen.
Yeah, Acetique is.
Oh, they have
too.
snow all with you.
Yeah.
All right, try to get down this.
Here comes the plow.
Yep. I will say though, Ocean City, they do a pretty good job of plowing. I know the year that we had the 2 feet of snow, they were going through Coastal Highway and taking snow and loading it into dump trucks and getting it out of here. And they always have done a really good job. I was just fishing over there like a month ago, and now it's all snow.
I dare you take a dip in the ocean and run back out.
Go jump in the water.
Yeah, penguin swim all over again.
Someone's feeding the birds. That's what you're doing.
Drove all the way out here to
What
feed
about
the
watching
seagulls.
What if I'm trying to go into the car?
Look at all of them, Jay.
That is funny.
Dad, one of them went to go into the car.
There's the inlet. Is Marty's open? Doesn't look like it. Nope.
Phineas, you want to go?
The big thing is Thrasher's open.
No.
No?
I'm going to say...
I doubt it. It's like all slush. Someone built a snowman? Really? Thrasher's is not open. Figured there'd be a line of people waiting. It's like really rainy right now. I'm underneath the dumpsters awning. But yeah, it's definitely got snow. It is cold, yeah. I think it's like 33. Whew. All right, back to the truck. Really quiet down here. We're the only ones on the road.
Which is a good thing, because people really should not be on the road.
Yeah, there was a couple iffy drivers that were going a little too fast. There was a truck behind me for a while. He was trying to pass me, and then he started fishtailing everywhere. So we stopped.
I mean, I know it'd be a critical sport on that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I went over 35 the whole way.
It's just crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, these roads are pretty good.
Oh, the lazy lizard.
Yep.
We didn't go there all this summer.
No, we didn't.
Classic.
Classic to lazy lizard. No, we didn't go at all. We were at Fishtails a lot
Oh.
this summer.
That was our
That was like our hangout for this year. Supposed to rain, I think I saw until like
Careful.
2 or 3, and then it was going to switch to snow again.
Cars are bad.
We got a fire in the fire pit, and then we noticed a bunch of green sparks and stuff coming out. It turns out one of the firecrackers never fully lit from the other day.
Well, I lit them all fully.
Yeah, we thought they all went off. Apparently one of them didn't go all the way.
Well, that's cool.
And you got no school again tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
2 days of no school. Cold beer.
Well, it could be 3.
You think you're going 3?
4 probably.
4? They said we're supposed to get more tonight. There's supposed to be a huge, like, burst of snow coming in around, I think, like 8 or 9. And then, and we're supposed to get more overnight. I don't know how much. Someone said as much as like 6 inches, but I'm not sure. Didn't really look into it. Yeah. We never even made it to sledding at the ditch. But that's okay. I think we're going to try again tomorrow. I drove over there today. It was pretty sketchy trying to get around the cul-de-sac. They'd only looked like they'd only gone around once, like with the plow, like halfway, and it wasn't enough to turn around. So I was getting stuck. I had to put the truck in 4-wheel drive, and I got right out. But I think trying to get back there was going to be kind of difficult. But we'll try again tomorrow. Let all this all freeze, and then the snow coming over tonight. We'll try to go in the morning probably. There are a ton of crows all flying around. Where are they all coming from? There's probably like at least 100 of them. They're everywhere. They look like they're chasing the little blackbirds. Look at them all. That's so cool. It is not tiki time today. It is cold today. Throwing snowballs? Haas likes the snow. He loves the snow. Was he? When he saw the snow? There's the second round coming in tonight. I think it's supposed to be around 3 inches is what we're supposed to get.